This is what's really required to lift up a Tesla Model 3. All the Teslas have a special lifting point and jack point to use, whether you're going to use a floor jack or a lift like a professional shop would use. There's little holes in the bottom of the frame, which is the bottom of these cars is the battery, so you have to be really careful lifting them up. The side skirts on all these cars are very close to the lifting point, so what these allow you to do is they make the lifting point match the car. There's one of these specifically made for each Tesla. This is the Tesla Model 3. We have them for the Model X, we have them for the Model S. We will put them up for sale, and we'll put a link in the video description for this because these are hard to find and they're really required. And as a Tesla owner, we're going to have these for if we take our car in for a flat tire, if we're do-it-yourselfers, we're going to do change wheels and stuff. So this is something that you probably want to have if you call for roadside assistance. If you go to a regular tire shop, a lot of those guys aren't going to have the right adapters to lift your car up. You also want to make sure you read your owner's manual. This car, this doesn't have air ride, so this is a little easier to deal with. Some of the other the Model X, make sure you read it about jacking your car, read and research before you do any of that. This particular part, I've done a lot of research on it. I talked to the manufacturer. These are made in the USA. The design of these is done very well. It's got a rubber washer, nice and low, and this rubber washer allows you to snap this into place without the jack stand there, so that you can snap them at each four corners, then put your lift under it, and it makes it nice and easy. And it's held by that little rubber O-ring. And the design of this has many features that we've seen a bunch of the other ones out there with a bunch of research. We believe this is the best quality tool out there. And again, I said it's made in the USA. It also has this washer on it that protects the paint. Tesla actually paints the underneath of the car where these jack points are. If you use one of these that's without this nice washer, it'll rub the paint off. Well, then you have a possibility of to get more corrosion into the metal. So this protects the paint. And really these also come with an adapter to make them taller if needed. Our lift, this will work just fine the way it is. But again, we'll put a link so you can purchase these because these are a pretty good necessity.